Tak. Mange har været i tvivl om, hvorvidt jeg er internationalt nok til at være udenrigsminister. Og til det må jeg bare sige, selvfølgelig er det. Jeg har for eksempel været med i 4 stjerners rejse, hvor jeg har været i Rusland og spist frokost med Cindy Pukukulu. Så bliver det ikke mere internationalt. Og som en naturlig konsekvens heraf, har jeg besluttet mig for at holde alle mine pressekonferencer på engelsk. Hello. My name is Willy Sleep Valley. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And as a new out-of-country minister, I will stop also global warming. I will simply ask everybody in the world to open their refrigerators, or it's called cooling closets, and the whole world will be very cold and stop the ice from melting at the poles. We are heading into an incredible future. Er vi på vej ind i en krydderbollefrityr? Det forstår jeg ikke. But I must say, we need to get to work in a fart. Yes, thank you. Thank you. It also came behind on me. And as the prick over the eye, I will stop the hunger nuts in Africa. It's terrible when they do not have enough nuts in Africa. And I must say, and that's important, I must say to all my enemies, until they do as we say, we will keep banging them in the head. It's human. A lot of third world countries are crying, and I ask them, why are you crying in the third world countries? Being number 3 is not so bad. It's the same as winning the bronze medal. So we must remember, being number 3 is not that bad, and I have learned that from working with Helle and Margrethe Vestager. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And now you must excuse me, I have to practice my English. Hello. Hello and good morning. I would like one squash.
Howdy Danmark, og hjertelig velkommen til Live fra Bremen. Det er mig en stor pleasure at kunne præsentere.
Efter længere tids overtagelse er det lykkedes for Villy Søvndal at overtale Kinas udenrigsminister til at deltage i et pressemøde.
Hello, my name is Willy Sleep Valley. And as you all know, we and the Chinese out-of-country minister lately have been mating. And I'm very glad, very happy to say that our meeting, our debates, has borne a lot of fruit.
Yes, and I would like to present the plan.
Oh, excuse me, if you will just wait, if you can clap your horses just for a second. I would just like to say that I, of course, will translate for the Danish viewers. Yes, please, go ahead, Mr. Out-of-Country Minister.
Thank you. In the future, China will be the greatest economical power.
Glimrende. I frityren putter Kinas Grete økologisk pulver. Ja, please.
From now on, there will be no human rights.
Fra nu af er der ingen humus til højre.
And this is not up for discussion.
Og det er forbudt at spille diskus. Åbenbart. Glimrende, den tager vi med. Fint.
And I'd like to point out that Tibet will never be free.
Jeg vil gerne sige, at i Tibet er det gratis at tippe.
And we will continue to use child labor for profit.
Og vi vil fortsætte med at bruge børnelæber som profeter. Virkelig. thought that must be all for the press meeting today. Unless you have anything to add, Mr. Out of Country Minister Channon.
Yes, I have.
Og please, jamen, endelig så gå, eller bare for, det gør du bare fint, jamen.
Mit navn er Carsten Bang. Velkommen til Live fra Bremen!
Howdy Danmark, og hjertelig velkommen.
Og nu til Udenrigsministeriet, hvor udenrigsminister Villy Søvndal vil præsentere den nye regerings udenrigspolitik.
God aften, mit navn er Villy Søvndal, og jeg vil som altid starte med at slå over på engelsk, så alle klart og helt utvetydigt forstår, hvad det er, jeg siger. Hello, my name is Willy Sleep Valley, and welcome to this press meeting to discuss the Danish out-of-country policy. Are there from the sale any questions?
Yes. Are you worried about Iran's nuclear power plants?
Er der varianter for Irans nukleare pulverplanter? Der må jeg sige... It's a good question. We are worried about it, and we are thinking about sending a gardener immediately. And I can tell you as much, we are thinking about sending Søren Ryge, or as you must best know him, Søren Smokers. So, any other questions from the cell?
Are you going to pull out Danish troops from Afghanistan?
Yes, of course we're going to pull out any troops from Afghanistan, and I can say everybody is very happy about that. Okay, hvad hulen er det? What the cave is this? Yes, I've just received a letter from the Afghanis Prime Minister. That's very pussy. Det er utrolig meget fisse. Det er... Yes, so and so. Let me read to you. You're pulling out your troops. You Danes are total bastards. Så han siger med andre ord, I danskere er totalt de bedste. Han er også glad, og alt er helt, som det skal være glimrende. Any more questions?
Yes. What about the situation in Syria?
We are very serious about serious. It's Syria about serious. Yes.
Okay.
Next question, please.
Yes,
It will be nice. Yes.
But what will you do about the military conflicts?
Jeg må så på stående fod indrømme, jeg ved ikke så meget om militær cornflakes, men jeg kan sige så meget. Jeg kan sige så meget, at vi vil bruge utrolig mange penge på at løse alle krige. Undskyld, I'm sorry, I should speak English. We will spend a lot of money to lose all wars. We are in Denmark very vant to lose a lot of things. We are known as a nation of big losers, and I must say, I'm known to be the greatest loser in the Danish government. So I will say, is there... Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else who has anything further to say?
Mit navn er Jonas Schmidt.